good morning everyone. Hi today. Miss hope all of you always be fine. Today we meet again with Miss Rina Venaria Julistiani. By this video, we will continue on our English lesson. Okay, before we continue on our lesson, before we start our lesson, let's we pray by ourselves at home. Let's go. Alright, thank you. Okay, today we will continue on our English lesson. Who knows what is the day for today? Good, today is Monday. And then what is the date for today? Today is 9th of November 2020. Good. Alright. Before we continue on our lesson, Miss will explain to you about our material. This material today is taken from our student book and from workbook page 50 until 53. Student book page 54. Is it about direction? Okay. Nanti Miss akan menjelaskan tentang direction and workbook page 50 until 53. Nanti kita akan discuss ya. Alright. Let's see the first slide. Okay. This line is taken from student book page 54. Is it about direction? What is direction, Miss? Direction is petunjuk arah. Petunjuk atau arah. Atau bisa kita katakan arah mata angin. Yang seperti ini. Nih ya. Ada utara, north, south, ya, selatan, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Nah, ada north, utara, south, selatan, east, timur, west, barat, northeast, utara laut, northwest, barat laut, southeast, tenggara, southwest, barat daya. Nah, di sini ada semua. Yang di atas yang dikode sama N itu it's mean north, S south, and then ini W ya, W west, E east, ada lagi NW ini northwest ya, terus NI atau NE ada northeast sama SW south, south west and south east. Paham ya? Nih ya. Oke. Nah, sampai di sini paham dengan arah mata angin? Yang belum paham boleh chat WA Miss. Alright. Let's continue the next slide. Nah, masih berhubungan dengan direction. Nah, we use north, south, west, and east to talk about direction. Ya, kita sering menggunakan, ya yang paling sering kita gunakan itu north, south, west, and east. Nah, di sini sama ya. Nih, ada hanya tapi kita jarang ya gunakan northwest misalnya ya. Northeast yang paling sering kita gunakan itu north, south, west, and east. Nah, yang north yang mana? Points up, yang di atas. South yang mana? Across from north. Nah, terus east, point to the right. Nah, sebelah kanannya berseberangan dengan east itu ada west. Oke, paham ya? Nih, utara, selatan, barat, timur. Oke, paham? Alright, good. Okay, let's continue the next slide. Alright, this line is taken by your workbook page 50. Remember the story. Write the words. Alright. Here, we must remember again about our story. Yang apa judulnya kemarin ya? Judul story kita kemarin. Hayo. Who still remember about the title our story? Ya, siapa yang masih ingat? Alright, good job. Up high. Nah, di sini kita disuruh melengkapi kalimatnya. Oke. Let's redo it. Oke, di sini ada pilihannya close to, going, hike, ladder, and door. Alright, number 1. Lucy and Ben are going to the tower to get the next. Apa jawabannya? Halo, ayo apa? Hike? No, ladder. And then number 2. Lucy and Ben have Lucy dan Ben punya apa? Hey, their dogs with them. And then number 3. Look, the towers over there. Nah, over there bla 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 the school. Jawabannya? Okay, good. Close to the school. And then number 4. Lucy, where are you? Where are you? Bla bla bla. Where are you going? Alright, good job. And then number 5. Lucy and Ben are really high on the virus ship. Alright, good job. Oh ya, jangan lupa, like and usually please write on your workbook. Okay. Let's move the next slide. This line is taken from your workbook, page 50. Put the story in order. Nah, di sini kita beri nomor, give the number in the box based on our story. Alright. Okay, let's redo it. Okay, number 1, like an example, Ben and Lucy know that the tower is close to the market square. Number 1. And then number 2, which one? Yang kedua, Ben wants to go to the fair. Lucy says, we are going to the tower. Okay, number 2. And then number 3. Then Lucy doesn't go to the tower. She goes to the fair. Alright, good job. Next, number 4. Ben and Lucy go on the virus ship. They are above the tower. Okay. And then number 5. Horax and Zelda are in the tower is a wrong place. Nah, ini ya, yang pertama, Ben and Lucy know the tower is close to the market. Ben dan Lucy tahu menara itu dekat dengan market square, dekat dengan pusat perbelanjaan, pusat pasarnya. Oke, yang kedua, Ben want to go the fair. Ben mau pergi ke pameran atau pasar malam itu ya. Dan terus nomor 3-nya, then Lucy doesn't go to the tower. Terus si Lucy-nya tidak pergi ke menaranya. Si Lucy pergi ikut Ben ke pamerannya. Yang keempat, Ben and Lucy go on the virus ship. Ben dan Lucy itu naik apa? Yang miniatur kapal ya. Nah, dan kelima, Horax dan Zelda are in the tower. Horax and Zelda-nya yang ada di tower itu, di menara itu. Mereka di tempat yang salah. Alright. Alright, until here, any question so far? Okay, let's move the next slide. Okay, this slide is taken from your workbook, page 51. Listen and write the missing word. Nah, kita akan we will listening the audio and then write the missing word. Alright, let's listen the audio.
Workbook, page 51. 1. Listen and write the missing words. Then say with a friend.
1. I want to stay.
Sorry, no time to play.
It's not fair.
We have to go home now.
2. An owl. Where?
I can't see anything.
Look, it's over there, above your head.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's beautiful.
Miss repeat again.
Workbook, page 51. 1. Listen and write the missing words. Then say with a friend.
1.
I want to stay.
Sorry, no time to play.
It's not fair.
We have to go home now. 2.
An owl.
Where? I can't see anything.
Look, it's over there, above your head.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's beautiful.
Alright, we already done listen the audio. Now let's recheck our answer. Okay. Number 1. I want to stay. Mom, sorry, no time to play. Apa jawabannya? No time to play. Good. Siapa yang benar? Okay. Next, number 2. An owl. Where? I can't see anything. Jawabannya, look, it's over there. Nah, lihat di sana dianya. Siapa jawabannya yang benar? Oke, yang jawabannya benar semua kasih nilai di buku workbooknya masing-masing 100. Oke. Sampai di sini paham ya? Any question so far? Alright, let's remove the next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 51. Okay, listen and write. Nah, listening again. We will listen the audio and we write the vocabulary. Alright, let's listen the audio.
Workbook, page 51. 2. Listen and write.
1.
How do you spell rain? R-A-I-N.
2.
How do you spell frog? F-R-O-G.
3.
How do you spell market? M-A-R-K-E-T.
4.
How do you spell park? P-A-R-K.
5.
How do you spell right? W-R-I-T-E.
6.
How do you spell art? A-R-T.
7.
How do you spell hurry? H-U-R-R-Y.
Alright, Miss repeats once again.
Workbook, page 51. 2. Listen and write.
1.
How do you spell rain? R-A-I-N.
2.
How do you spell frog? F-R-O-G.
3.
How do you spell market? M-A-R-K-E-T.
4.
How do you spell park? P-A-R-K. A-R-K.
5,
How do you spell right? W-R-I-T-E.
6,
How do you spell art? A-R-T.
7,
How do you spell hurry? H-U-R-R-Y.
Alright, we already done. Listen the audio now. Let's check our answer. Yang pertama, number 1, rain. How do you spell? R-A-I-N. And then number 2, frog. How do you spell? F-R-O-G. And then number 3, market. How do you spell? M-A-R-K-E-T. And then number 4, park. How do you spell? P-A-R-K. Alright, and then number 5, right. How do you spell? W-R-I-T-E. And then number 6, art. How do you spell? A-R-T. And then the last, hurry. How do you spell? H-U-R-R-Y. Alright? Siapa yang betul semua? Oke? Tulis di buku workbooknya 100 kalau betul semua ya. Oke, tulis sendiri di bukunya. Oke? Let's move the next slide. Okay, this line is taken from your workbook, page 52. Listen and draw lines. Okay, listening again. Nah, di sini kita akan mendengarkan, we will listen the audio and then we will draw lines to the name. Alright. Nah, kita akan tarik garis dari namanya. Kita cari, di sini kan ada Olivia, William, Christine, Hannah, Ben, and Mike. Alright, nah kita akan mencari mereka ini di mana based on our audio. Alright, let's go.
Workbook, page 52. 1. Listen and draw lines.
Hello, Sandra.
Hi, Ms. Butler. When is dinner?
At 7. Do you all like pizza?
Yes, we do.
What are your friends doing? Are they looking for something?
Yes, we are all looking for a key.
Can you tell me your friends' names?
Yes, of course. The boy below the tree is Ben.
And the girl close to the bikes with the hat?
That's Christine.
And the girl in front of the tent on the right?
That's Hannah.
And who is the boy across from her?
That's Mike. And the boy behind the tent on the right is William.
Okay. And who is the girl between the tents?
That's Olivia.
See you at 7.
Yes, Ms. Butler.
Alright, are you confused? Nah, good. If you feel confused, berarti kalian, kalian memperhatikan atau mendengarkan audionya ya. Kalau kalian nggak confused, berarti nggak mendengarkan. Nah, bingung ya? Oke, let's repeat again. Yuk, dengarkan baik-baik. Listen, be
Workbook.
careful.
Page 52. 1. Listen and draw lines.
Hello, Sandra.
Hi, Ms. Butler. When is dinner?
At 7. Do you all like pizza?
Yes, we do.
What are your friends doing? Are they looking for something?
Yes, we are all looking for a key.
Can you tell me your friends' names?
Yes, of course. The boy below the tree is Ben.
And the girl close to the bikes with the hat.
That's Christine.
And the girl in front of the tent on the right?
That's Hannah.
And who is the boy across from her?
That's Mike. And the boy behind the tent on the right is William.
Okay. And who is the girl between the tents?
That's Olivia.
See you at 7.
Yes, Miss Butler.
Alright, ayo gimana? Sudah tahu jawabannya? Tahu Miss ulang satu kali lagi? Alright, Miss repeats once again. The last.
Workbook. Page 52. 1. Listen and draw lines.
Hello, Sandra.
Hi, Miss Butler. When is dinner?
At 7. Do you all like pizza?
Yes, we do.
What are your friends doing? Are they looking for something?
Yes, we are all looking for a key.
Can you tell me your friends' names?
Yes, of course. The boy below the tree is Ben.
And the girl close to the bikes with the hat.
That's Christine.
And the girl in front of the tent on the right?
That's Hannah.
And who is the boy across from her?
That's Mike. And the boy behind the tent on the right is William.
Okay. And who is the girl between the tents?
That's Olivia.
See you at 7.
Yes, Miss Butler.
Alright, we already done listen the audio. How about your answer? Bagaimana jawabannya? Bingung atau bisa jawab? Ayo, confused or you can answer. Ayo, okay, let's we discuss. Yang pertama, ini contoh ini udah ada si Christine ya. Christine-nya ada di sini. Nah, di dalam. Terus Olivia, kita mulai dari Olivia. Which one, Olivia? Who knows? Here. Siapa yang benar? Siapa yang salah? Gak ada yang salah ya. Terus si William. Which one, William? Here. William cari apa? Cari key ya. And then Christine. Here. Hannah. Hannah yang mana? Ini. Terus Ben. Ya. Hannah yang mana, Hannah? Benar ya, Hannah-nya. Oke. Ben. Here, udah ada Ben-nya di sini. Terus Mike. Oke. Good. Nah. Oke. Bagaimana? Ada yang benar semua? Kalau ada yang benar semua, silakan kasih nilai 100 di buku workbook-nya masing-masing. Okay, let's move the next slide. Alright, this slide is taken from your workbook page 53. Look and write the names. Look, read, and write the names. Okay? Jadi bagaimana Miss cara kita mengerjakannya? Yang pertama kita harus membaca dulu keterangan di bawah ini. Baru kita bisa menjawab pertanyaannya. Kita bisa menulis ini rumah siapa ya. Okay, let's read it. Mary's house in the park, close to the pond. Alice's house is across from Lucy's house. In front of the park, Mike's lives below Ben, close to the park. Tom lives above Ben. Lucy's house is between Heather's house and John's house. And lives close to the bus. Nah, kita mulai dari siapa ya? Tom dulu. Tom di atas Ben. Berarti di sini si Tomnya. Terus ada Mike ya, below Ben-nya. Di bawah Ben-nya ada Mike. Setelah itu ada si Heathers. Ya, Heathers-nya di mana? Di between Lucy, ini ya. Lucy's house is between Heathers and John's. Berarti Lucy di sini, Lucy di antara Heathers and John. Berarti sini Heathers. And then the last, rumah siapa? Si Ed close to the bus. Oke. Nah, oke. Jawabannya write on your workbook. Okay, write the answer on your workbook. Alright, let's remove the next slide. Oke, di slide masih berhubungan dengan yang gambar pertama tadi ya. Nah, kalian bisa lihat di buku kalian itu ya. Oke, Miss tidak tampilkan gambarnya di sini lagi. Oke, look at the activity 1. Complete the sentences. Annie lives-nya Annie lives di mana? Lives in next to Sam in front of the park. Terus Chris di mana? Perhatikan gambarnya. Si Chris itu di mana? Rumah Chris di mana? Chris next to Ed, across from Tom, Ben, and Mike. Good. And then si John. John di mana? John next to Lucy, across from Annie. Alright. And then Ben lives between Tom and Mike. Alright, and then the last Heather di mana? Heather next to Lucy across from the park. Alright, good. Paham nggak? Nggak paham, perhatikan dulu gambarnya. Lalu kita ingat kembali preposition yang sudah Miss jelaskan. Gunakan next to, across from, below, above. Ya, oke. Nah, Miss think enough for meeting today by this video. Nah, jangan lupa, don't forget to write the answer on your workbook. Jawabannya jangan lupa ditulis di buku. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.